Guys, welcome back to my channel Rohit this side. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can convert your colorful scale into grayscale. So let me show you. So just go here and type sorry color filter. So you have to just click on use color filters, so on it, and then you can see here there are options like inverted, so you can just toggle between them. So how the screen is looking after that, so you can see that. And yeah, grayscale inverted, so let's try that. But I feel that the better view is of grayscale, so I'm going to set that. So you can see that my laptop screen has just turned out into a black and white mode. So that's it for the video, guys. So if you like the video, like this video. If you like this video, like this video and subscribe my channel. Bye, guys.